Good morning, everybody. Top of the morning. Captain Ron here, Financial JQP. Got a quick update on one of the SPACs. It's come alive, and we will take a look as it comes out of the gate. But before I get into that, on this July 15th, quick reminder, this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. And let's take a quick peek at that SPAC. The company is Plum. We can take a look at a chart. It is the Plum acquisition for Class A corporation, and you can see this thing must have formed around December, and it has been climbing at the short-term treasury interest rate, and it looks like 5 days ago this thing came alive and starting to go crazy, although the bottom is just now creeping up yesterday, so it's going to take a little bit. Remind everybody, this is an experimental portfolio came up with to be market makers, that is, sit outside the normal trading rate, provide some liquidity, and when these extreme buys and sells come in, provide some shares. Looks like an opportunity. It's a test. All right, Plum Acquisition Corp. It looks like there was this piece of news where they cut their fee by, I think, 30%. So it made the combined value not $4 billion, but $3 billion. So this is a special acquisition company. It is merging with this geothermal power and critical materials developer. Very popular right now in the market with battery projects and all that. And they've got a project called Hell's Kitchen. What a name. I believe it's in California. Here's a quick look at the maker portfolio. We have had one exit. Archimedes Tech exited 2 months ago now. And Plum Acquisition Corp. Controlled Thermal Resources is the company it's going to become. Looks like this one is starting to go crazy. I've set an initial good till order cancel at $13.90, so roughly 30% over where I got it. Some of these go all the way up to 5x. I might pull it and just watch it. Ideally, we get out approximately 2 weeks from when it goes crazy. So at the end of the month, we will exit this, hopefully make a profit. So yeah, there's the good till cancel order. Here's a chart of how that portfolio has done. The blue is our S&P bond fund benchmark. You can see this thing is way flatter. It's not very exciting at all, but if we get a 30% jump, that would add $300. It's not quite going to hit the benchmark, but it would be close. At 500%, it would greatly surpass the benchmark, but that's very optimistic. So I'll have to pull that good till cancel order and then watch it. Just a reminder, this is a test portfolio. It's really kind of a crazy idea, but it goes back to the fundamentals of any portfolio. You come up with an idea, come up with a criteria, you build a portfolio around that criteria, you build some rules around that, and then execute it. So this is one that is very different than your typical retirement portfolio. So far, we've got a lot of nothing in here. It is making interest, so it's like money in the bank. Stay tuned. This one looks like it's our number 2 one going crazy. I think we've had 2 fail, and the last one, it didn't do much, but we did exit at the right time. So we made a little bit of money. Reminder, the portfolio matters. With that, I'll bid everybody adieu. Top of the morning, and retire another fine tie, blue on blue. This one goes in the bin, not to be used again. Bye.